Hey guys, what's up? It's Mikey Crossguard again. Today to bring you another video. Today we're playing Hurtworld. I think I told in another video I would be doing this. So yeah, I'm doing it right now. Played it with a few friends. Kind of know what it's about. Let's see. Join server. One server. All right. Oh crap, we're freezing already. There we go, we can run. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, we got a house right there. Okay, we can pick some stuff up. Some flint and stone. Can I go in here? Not authorized, okay. Is there like any way we could, ooh, what's this? Salute, bird, hands up, air hump, facepalm, surrender, and point. Let's do the bird. Just pointing up my middle finger. Alright, stop it. Alright, let's pick some more stuff up. We need to find shelter so we don't freeze to death. I don't have that much wood. We need to find a warm place. And we're quite hungry. Hello? Please? Hello? How do I talk? Whoa! Hey dude, no! No, please don't! No, dude! Help! Don't do that! Can I turn around or something? Ah! Oh god. Try to pick some stuff up. Oh god. He's got a chainsaw!
Here's Johnny.
Or something. Oh god. Well, that was horrific.